Alright, so I found a nice little Zippo today to look at. But first, something I found that I've been using for years and years are, let's see, I have these Craftsman. It's about a 5-inch channel lock, 3-position channel lock. They work really nice, but I happened to stumble across these. They are called Knipex or Knipex. The Knipex Cobra, and they are made in Germany. And the unique thing about these is they have a little push button right here, and it says, actually says push on it, and it's got a 10-position locking opening, so you push that, get it to where you need it, and it's locked there. And on the back you can see there's a little spring that holds that lock in place. So this is a Knipex, and it's like a 5-inch. You can see it's really small. Replaces that Craftsman, and the biggest opening on this is right about, looks like about almost 2 inches. Yeah, 2 inches. So that is a nice little Knipex channel locks, but they make different sizes. Now this one is the 7. No wait, it's the 10-inch. Let's see. Yeah, this is the 10-inch Knipex. This is also the Cobra. They make a couple of different versions of this thing. They make one with a lock and without a lock, and it's got the push button. And this has, like, I think it's 20 sets of teeth in there that you can lock it open to, from nothing to the biggest opening is about, looks like about 3.5 inches. So this is a really nice set. I've been using these channel locks, pliers like this for years. I have several of these, and they have like 4 positions, and they're kind of clumsy. But these things are really good to crack nuts with. Not bad. Let's see how the Knipex do the nut cracker. Set it right about there. Does a good job on cracking nuts too. So that is the Knipex Cobra pliers, made in Germany. This has about 20 positions of open. So let's get down to the Zippo. Now this Zippo came in the regular black box, and it is labeled as neon orange. And it's basically your happy face, your pumpkin happy face. And he happens to have a lot of teeth too. This is neon orange all the way around. And it looks like this was made in G of 18. And I believe that's July. Really good stampings on this one. The coating is kind of crooked. A little overlapping the Zippo. Really good sound with a steel insert. So that is the jack-o'-lantern, pumpkin, Halloween Zippo. It's pretty nice. Let's do a drop test on this happy face. A lit drop test. So jack-o'-lantern passes the drop test easily. This is a good one. And this one definitely deserves some cowbell. Knuckle bump.